In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Bangla talking video using Gemini Veo3. First things first, make sure you've got the Gemini application open and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Gemini website or app and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to move on to the next steps. Now that you're in, it's time to select the video generation feature. This is the core tool we'll be using today to create your talking video. You'll typically find this in the main menu or dashboard area of the application. It's designed to be user-friendly, so just take a moment to navigate and familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already confident with it. Selecting the video generation option will guide you into the setup process, making sure you're ready to craft your masterpiece. Next, we're going to focus on crafting your prompt. The prompt you create is essentially the script or outline of what you want to be said in the video. Spend some time here crafting a clear and detailed prompt since the quality of your input will directly affect the output. Make sure it accurately reflects the tone and message you wish to convey. Whether you want something conversational, formal, or casual, ensure your prompt aligns with your intended audience. Consider including specific keywords to enhance the effectiveness of the response. This step is crucial, so don't rush through it. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, it's time to submit it. Upon submission, the system will take some time to process and generate the video. This is where the magic happens. You simply need to be patient for a short while as the video is being created. It's a good idea to double-check your prompt before submitting, just in case you want to make last-minute tweaks. The final step is to review the result. Once the video is generated, play it to see if it meets your expectations. Carefully evaluate whether it captures the essence of what you wanted to convey. If anything seems off or doesn't quite fit, many platforms, including Gemini, allow you to go back and make adjustments. Once you're satisfied, you have a couple of options. You can either export the video or directly share it from the platform. When exporting, choose the right format and resolution that suits your needs. If sharing, make sure your audience can access the video easily. And that's it. You've successfully generated a Bangla talking video with Gemini Veo3. With these steps, you can create engaging content efficiently. Whether you're crafting videos for educational purposes or simply sharing a message, these tools make the process intuitive and rewarding. Thanks for watching, and happy video making.